Is it right for Kaizer Chiefs coach to say ukuthi he's not expecting to challenge for the league this season? Sanibonani ke bafowethu. Ulumkile lo wakazinyanga bafowethu. Let's talk everything football. Namhlanje ke bafowethu ngifuna sikhavarishe indaba yeKaizer Chiefs. Lana ekuzwakale bafowethu ucoach weKaizer Chiefs ethi yena for this season he doesn't necessarily think ukuthi is gonna challenge for the league. So is that statement bafethu okay from ucoach we-team bafethu enkulu kangaka njenge-Kaizer Chiefs? So sizo unpack ke nje bafethu ama implications that can come with the coach making that statement, because okokuqala bafethu ngiyabezwa nana online abantu bakhona abanye bayakhala bathi hayi ngeke bafethu kufanele the coach is being realistically, yabo kushuthi is being realistic in a way ukuthi athi aka challenge for a league, but isquad sakhe bafethu asishintshile kangako compared to isquad iKaizer Chiefs eqale ngaso next season, noma angithi mhlambe isquad ucoach Kaizer and uKhalid abaqhubu abaye baqhubeka naso bafethu laphana kwiKaizer Chiefs. So isquad bafethu asihlukile kangako, but those people they were challenging for a league bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs was number 3 kwi-log. How can ucoach omusha ofikayo athi isquad asikho enough ukuthi it can compete for the league? Lokho bafethu I think kuveza i-weakness even nakuyena ucoach, and njengamanje kuzokwenza ukuthi even nanabantu bafethu baqale badoubt ukuthi ngampela ngabe lo coach uzodeliver yini, because ngisho ngathiwa mhlawumbe uyabona ukuthi kuyaxega awukwazi kodwa ukuthi uvela uthi nje I can't challenge for the league. What does it say for ama opponent akho? Angani uyabona ama opponent already asiyabona ukuthi lo muntu akazethembi, because abanye futhi bathi kungenzeka bafowethu ukuthi mhlawumbe ucoach he's being modest, uyazi yena deep down ukuthi uzocompete for a league, but ama fans angiboni ukuthi azokubona kanjalo, ngoba uyabona after esekhiphe le statement asikhiphile, I can guarantee you ukuthi uma engangenzi kahle kuma game awu3 or 4 mhlambe ku first 10 games we league zizobe sezikhona abafethu inkulumo, and lezo inkulumo lezo zizobe zilethwe yiso le statement sika coach ukuthi athi ucoach yena is not gonna challenge for a league, because asiyenzi bafethu sense. Yabona mhlambe uma ngathiwa istatement lesi mhlambe eshiwe wo coach bo Durban City o Golden Arrows noma nje noma mhlambe oBT, yabo nje lama team vele bafethu yabo esingathi vele they don't usually challenge for a league, but for a team bafethu enkulu njenge Kaizer Chiefs, for ucoach ukuthi afike abe neleyo mentality yokuthi yena is not gonna be challenging for a league, it's a huge problem. It's a huge problem, and izohamba ihambe i-cost team njoba sazi ukuthi neKaizer Chiefs bafethu inama fans are passionate kakhulu when it comes to football. Siwabonile nje intwenini ngama fans eKaizer Chiefs bafethu yonke indawo vocal nabo. I'm sure ukuthi deep down lesi statement sibathusile bafethu ukuthi siphume komuntu onjengo coach, but ke sesingasho ke bafethu kuwena, do you think ukuthi ucoach weKaizer Chiefs was right to say ukuthi is not there yet ukuthi anga challenger for a league? Maybe mhlawumbe uma isene full squad, because naye full squad phela siyibona mhlawumbe kufika abadlali aba more than 5 njengamanje kuyona iKaizer Chiefs. Mhlawumbe makuthiwa kuyafika abantu sekuzofika abantu abambalwa la sibala khona ophili sibabonile nabo ukuthi bayadinga, mhlawumbe sikhuluma ngama players awu2 or 3. So lawo ma players awu2 or 3 kushuthi iwona mhlawumbe angamenza ucoach ukuthi ashintshe umqondo wokuthi azibone ukuthi uzo challenger for a league. Ngicela ke na ucommente ke lapho ngezansi bafethu usho ukuthi wena do you think ukuthi it's okay for ucoach ukuthi athi he's not gonna challenge for a league, noma mhlambe you think ukuthi he's being modest nje ufihla induku emqubeni?